In this video, you learn how to sign into your free workspace on apix.oracle.com and explore SQL Workshop. On apix.oracle.com, click Sign In. Enter your workspace, username, password, and then click Sign In. You're now in your workspace homepage where you see App Builder, SQL Workshop, Team Development, and App Gallery. Click SQL Workshop. SQL Workshop includes tools that enable you to view and manage your Oracle database objects. You see Object Browser, SQL commands, SQL scripts, utilities, and RESTful services. Click Object Browser. Object Browser enables you to use a tree control to view database object properties and create new objects. SQL commands is where you enter and run your SQL statements. You use SQL scripts to store and run scripts. Utilities within SQL Workshop enable you to build queries, generate SQL using shorthand syntax, load and unload data from an Oracle database, generate DDL, restore drop database objects, compare database schemas, and monitor the database. RESTful services within SQL Workshop enable the declarative specification of RESTful services used to access the database. Thank you for watching this video.